Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be comparing two great cameras from Canon, the Canon EOS R5 and the Canon EOS R7. We'll be evaluating these cameras in various categories to help you make an informed decision. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more tech content. Let's get started. When it comes to image quality, both cameras deliver exceptional results. The Canon EOS R5 boasts a new 45-megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor, capturing stunning details and producing high-resolution images. On the other hand, the Canon EOS R7 features a 32.5 MP APS-C CMOS sensor, ensuring crisp and sharp photos. Both cameras excel in this category, providing excellent image quality in their respective sensor sizes. If you're into videography, both cameras offer impressive video capabilities. The Canon EOS R5 takes it to the next level with 8K video recording, making it a go-to choice for professional videographers. Meanwhile, the Canon EOS R7 provides ultra-high-definition videos with its Digic X image processor. Whether you're shooting cinematic footage or vlogging, both cameras offer excellent video quality. In terms of autofocus performance, the Canon EOS R5 takes the lead with its dual-pixel CMOS AF covering approximately 100% area and featuring 1053 AF areas. This allows for accurate and reliable subject tracking, even when capturing fast-moving subjects. The Canon EOS R7 also delivers impressive autofocus capabilities, ensuring sharp focus in various shooting scenarios. Both cameras excel in autofocus performance, providing versatility for different photography needs. When it comes to build quality and ergonomics, both cameras are designed to provide comfort and ease of use. The Canon EOS R5 features a larger body, providing a firm grip and ample space for controls. It also offers dual memory card slots, catering to professionals who require extra storage or backup options. The Canon EOS R7, on the other hand, is more compact and lightweight, making it a great option for on-the-go photographers. Both cameras are built to withstand various shooting conditions. And there you have it. We've compared the Canon EOS R5 and the Canon EOS R7 in several categories. Both cameras offer exceptional features and capabilities, catering to different photography and videography needs. Remember to consider your priorities and budget when making a decision. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech content. Thanks for watching.